Okay, these are all bald eagles I'm playing right now. There's another bald eagle. That's a bald eagle. Okay, that was the fake bald eagle. What do you hear? I hear a lot of other birds calling. Okay, here, this is the one I believe I played that called the other birds. Wait a minute. Thank you, Ibrina. Okay, oh, so this is me with the fake bird calls. Uh-oh, wait. I don't see any birds yet. Taking down my umbrella because I don't really need it. Ray would love this. My husband, man, he could call all the birds. He was amazing. He sounded just like them. I don't know. The other birds might be warning everyone. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. You can hear the other birds are still out. That was the, I believe that's the cardinal. How many of the fake bird calls from videos are dead now too? Way to keep alive. Good one, Victor. Hi, Cheryl. Yes, mimosa, there's mimosa trees. Here we've also got walnut trees. I'm not sure where the walnut trees are everywhere. So I think the one's down there. Somebody's calling loud. I think that's a walnut tree. Anyway, I guess the birds of prey, I'm gonna call them one more time. Sounds kind of like monkeys. But I'm pretty sure, I think that's a bald eagle. There's someone getting out of Dodge. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. Playing with the birds. Yeah, anyway, I'm having too much fun here. So, how was your Independence Day celebration? We were on the river, and I wish I could have gone live, but we didn't have any connection here on the river anyway. And there's no plumeria here, Donna. West Virginia's just got the magnolia and the walnut trees, a lot of pine trees. So yeah, the fireworks on the Potomac River were beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So check those out. I did a reel or two of them. So I know, right, Terry? All right. So anyway, it's been a hot minute since I did an actual news report for you, but I thought I should update you on some of the things going on in this country. The devastating news out of Texas. You guys saw me in Texas last month, and luckily my friends in Texas are okay. They are dealing with a torrential amount of rain, but they're not in the flood situation like they are, I forget, I forget the name of the town. There's a river there that flooded, and the death toll is still rising. Um, yeah, I'm leaving West Virginia tomorrow, Maureen. So President Trump, I believe, has announced the area is a disaster. Kerrville, thank you. Guadalupe River, thank you, Laura. Thank you so much. So I will read you the latest news. At least 68 people, this is from the Associated Press, 68 people so far have been reported dead in Kerr County, Texas, including 40 adults and 28 children. But the total death toll in Texas has risen to 79 people. This is reported by NBC News. The National Weather Service confirmed that south central Texas was expected to get up to 7 inches of rain today on Sunday. President Trump has signed a major disaster declaration for Kerr County, Texas, which is one of the 6 counties hit by catastrophic flooding over the weekend. Hi, Stella Bella. I just signed a major disaster declaration for Kerr County, Texas, to ensure that our brave first responders immediately have the resources they need, wrote Trump on his Truth Social account. These families are enduring an fire. You said a burglar? Like, okay, I could use names.
You know, and it would behoove a lot of these companies to pay them well, you know, so they can take money back home to their families, build houses, you know, build infrastructure for themselves and their family in their family unit. That would be great. And then if you come through and you really show that, hey, listen, man, Mr. President, you know, I have no criminal back.
Yes, sir.
Seen for a long time, but as far as publicly, for about a year and some change. Last night by Morgan Wallen.
On my mother.
They'd have even more heft behind them, like they could just slam into you.
I mean, I think it's a man bun or a top knot. To each his own. What's up, Mindy? Yes, it's real. I actually had a 2-gun match with it today. Usually do IDPA, but today I did a 2-gun. Do Queens. What's up, Larry Bird fan? Thanks, Mex J. Random is where it's at, man. Who wants to watch the same old boring stuff all the time? I'm in my bubble bath mode with my jellyfish, my rifle, and my wife. That is very random. Appreciate Silas.
Mindy said, are you in the jacuzzi? Our tub is a jacuzzi tub, yes.
Yeah, that, I'd be careful with that. Last time, the bubbles went everywhere. My wife puts way too many bubbles in here. Yes, correct. It's a jacuzzi. No, I don't have a 50 BMG. I wish I did. I don't think my wife will let me spend that type of money. Yes, my wife, she's right over here. Every now and then she'll poke her toes right about here. She just got her toes done today. So you might see her toes every now and then. Tanda, I have my airsoft gun behind me because isn't that normal? The rifle is a KS-47 from PSA, so it's an AK lower with an AR upper. Shoots 7.62. Does all the functionality of an AR upper, but with the benefits of the 7.62. Appreciate it, Justina. Glad you like the jellyfish. They're struggling today. Normally they're swimming up and down Oh, well, there goes one. There she goes. She's trying to go down. What's up, Mindy? Well, listen, I appreciate that. And if you guys haven't already, if you're new here, double tap that screen for me. We got 116 people in here. Double tap that screen so we can just jump those likes right up to 100. But then also check out the page and subscribe. Most of it's going to be shooting content. I do a lot of competitive shooting, defensive shooting. So hopefully you're into that. Appreciate you, Justina. I try to stay fit. You should see my wife at 46. She's like mad fit. So I gotta stay somewhat in decent shape. She might leave me for a younger, more fit guy. I don't know.
Oh my God.
Samurai Jack. I used to love Samurai Jack. I grew up on that.
What is that? I've never seen that.
It's
Is it a cartoon or?
It was a cartoon,
Uh-huh.
but he was a samurai, but it was a white dude.
Oh.
Plus 50 people. Wasn't my best. I had a couple of bonehead mistakes, but it was cool. What's up, my guy from Russia?
Jimmy Bass.
So you usually only see
Why us as humans, why are we so rebellious? You know, because unless, in my eyes, especially if you have, you know, it's some of us raised in bad environments.
Trump now sits at 56% approval and 41% disapprove. A net positive of 15 points and a 15-point swing in his favor in just a few weeks.
familiar with it. I don't dislike hockey, but I prefer football and basketball. Is your lower half Korean? The right side's Korean. So the right side is Korean, the left side is Caucasian.
You're so stupid.
So the right side of my brain is the smart one. Yes, Carlos, that's the mutant. Live and in person.
2 minutes.
0.8.
Wrong person.
The kids go rebel.
But if you graduate as guide, $3.99. You got it. Yeah, so go after it. So now, can the Marines ever wear a rope around the shoulder like the Army infantry? For example, I don't know how to explain it. Great question, Menachem. One, you'll notice everybody I think knows by now, Marines don't wear a bunch of regalia is a nice way to put it. We don't wear stuff all over our uniform with feathers and ropes. And
This you had to iron your.
Why can't
700.
I shoot every weekend. Very scared.
Becca Cunningham said, do you have kids or is this?
What's up, Becca? No, we have kids. So my wife and I have been together for 22 years. We have 3 kids.
I
So
think she's asking about the lamp.
Oh, that's not my
kid. She said one of her kids has it, her daughter
Oh,
has it.
no, that's mine. That's ours. That's for jacuzzi date night. Yeah, California blows. Definitely not going to be getting many firearms in California. Come from Africa. Sierra comes from Africa. That's where, what did it say?
I forgot what she said. I don't know if she said Malcolm or something.
Absolutely, we are God-fearing. We're a God-fearing family. So absolutely, we believe in Jesus. What's wrong with gay muzzle brakes, Brian? As long as it works. Appreciate it, Mindy. Thanks for the sub. My wife is beyond pretty. I like to refer to her, Lily, as gorgeous.
Okay, enough.
Oh, I'm looking at her right now. Sexy,
Oh my God, please stop.
feisty, and hot. Amen. Kimchi bath, hell yeah. Kimchi baths
I
and
love
rooftop.
kimchi.
My wife loves Korean food. She loves kimchi more than me. But yeah, kimchi baths and rooftop Koreans.
Somebody said, what are your thoughts on FALs?
I don't own one. I see lots of reviews on them. I think they're super well built like tanks. But I don't own one. I've never shot one. What's up, G-Tag?
MP5K says funeral farmer.
Funeral farmer. Yeah, I love them. I think there's probably